Pirating Studio. Today we're gonna to show the process of the working repair that you must know. Can this be repaired too? Sure, it was originally like this. The bathroom is inside this wall. Here has been working, right? After our repair, it became like this. Wow, it's almost back to normal. In fact, it doesn't require the advanced technology. Oh, this is a medical beauty again. It's not difficult. Here we go. All cancers are caused by water penetration. Therefore, the cause of water infiltration must be found before deal with the wall cancer. What I'm sharing today is the second half of treatment of wall cancer, wall filling and painting. Next time, I will share how to make a repair portion. This might affect some people. Pirating, be careful to be disappeared. All repairs are the same. The first step is deal with the contact surface. Next, spray the silicate repair agent. Just spray it on. Wipe off the spilled portion. This repair agent also has the effect of waterproofing. This is a native waterproof. Its function is to find cracks and seal them. After an hour, the color changes here. The white areas are where the silicate have penetrated. This way, you can fix it for a specific point. Spray wherever there is damage. Don't doubt it. It was developed during the World War II. But it was the Japanese who first to repair the building with it. Spray 3 to 4 times to move on to the next stage. After the chemical spraying is completed, we start to repair the wall with cement. Why? Silicate will expand. It must be supported with cement. That's important. This formula can penetrate cement crack, then crystallize in the cracks. Once the cracks are filled, there will be no leaks. Under the electron microscope, we can see this. Silicate has not been sprayed on left, so there are many gaps in the cement. The right side has been sprayed with the silicate. Then needle-like crystals are formed. If the amount of crystallization is sufficient, water molecules will not be able to enter. On the other hand, because crystallization causes objects expand, so the walls have to be repaired with cement. Don't do it with plaster or putty. It can't build walls. Take some dry mortar. Add water and stir. If you take cement to do it, it has to be fine sand. In fact, it is more easy to use dry mixed mortar directly. It contains smoothing ingredients, so it saves a lot of time to use. The trowel needs this cut off. Its elastic sheet metal makes the wall smoother. Then the whole job will be easier. There is really no skill, just practice a lot. Just smooth it out like this. It doesn't matter if you can do it perfect, because we're gonna refinish which party. If there are smooth stones in it, that will never be smoothed out. Pick it out in this situation. Like this to be done piece by piece. Remember to prepare a putty plate, then the corner can be also repaired. Of course, you also need a putty knife to repair small area. Clean the wall with the damp cloth. It looks roughly flat, but it's still a bit rough if paint it directly. So we still to fill the wall. Here we go. The damaged area is not very large. There are also tiles below, so it is not easy to operate. I apply directly with a putty knife. Fill it all out and let it dry, then sand. Because it still needs to be ground, so don't make it too seriously. That's because pirating your technique is not good. Anyway, fill it up slowly. For another reason, it needs to be ground. This sand will come up a little, so we can't fill it very flat. But it doesn't matter, just do it for a few more times. This wall is a little curved, and the wall is not well filled. It's faster to use a sander. This is a must for home repair. There is one benefit of a wall fill. It can be done many times, and that's okay. So you can do it perfectly if you want. This part can be repeated indefinitely until you are satisfied. Start painting now. I painted with white latex paint. This paintbrush has been reused many times. Finish the first paint, and then something interesting will happen. You see the dent here and here. It's normal, don't be nervous. Just keep on painting. If painted to the door frame, just wipe it off with your hands while it's still wet. Fingers are also a very important tool. Finally, there is a very important step. Fill in the uneven areas. This can be done with the putty knife. Blemishes become more visible after painting. It's okay, we can do another tinkering. It's up to you how perfect you want to be. Do the final touch-up again. Just brush it slowly. No one will rob you of a job. Fingers again. Do it again here. Wipe off excess paint, but you don't have to use your fingers. Then, we're done. It's actually not that difficult, right? Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Piraking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.